How to create a new account on YouTube. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a new account on YouTube. First, go to YouTube on your browser or open the app. Now click on Sign In at the top right corner. Next, click on Create Account and choose the option that suits you for my personal use, for my child, or for work or my business. Then follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account, including entering your name, email, and a secure password. Once done, your new YouTube account is ready to use. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.